3.5 millimeter audio cables are most commonly used for small portable electronics, including MP3 players, cell phones, laptops, computers, and portable DVD players. They are available in mono, stereo, or 4-conductor versions and can be adapted to a wide variety of signal types. This is an audio patch cable. It features a single 3.5 millimeter male stereo plug to dual RCA plugs. It is available in lengths from 3 feet to 12 feet. It is most commonly used to connect audio equipment, such as your MP3 player or phone, to your stereo receiver or television. This cable is fully shielded for an optimal audio signal. For all of your consumer electronic cables or accessories, choose Show Me Cables.